Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome back to today's English class. In the previous class, we have discussed and completed our reading A, Swarming is Expelled from School. Today, let us discuss and analyze the second reading B, Not Just a Teacher but a Friend poem. The poem Not Just a Teacher but a Friend is a poem that describes the great role of a teacher in a student's life. The speaker of this poem is a student. The student says that he trusts his teacher and always remembers him. The poet glorifies the relationship between the teacher and the student by saying that the student trusts his teacher. Coming to the poem. I had no way to turn, had no way to go. This is just something I think you need to know. I don't know what made me trust you. I still remember the day when I told you what I have been through. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole, but then you really brought out my true soul. So, the speaker in the poem, already I have told you, the speaker in the poem is a student. So, the student says that, so who is I now here? I in the given stanza, I is a student. So student is telling that I had no way to turn, had no way to go. He says that he has no way to turn his face here and there, and he has no way to go. He is unable to go either here nor there. This is just something I think you need to know. So he says that this is something. Whatever you want to know that is I don't know where to go and I don't know where to turn, either this side nor that side. Which way I have to go I don't know, and to whom and where to go, where is my destination also I don't know. I don't know what made me trust you. The student says that what made me trust you. Who is you here in the given line? Yes, here true refers to the teacher. Now the poet, the student is telling about her teacher. He says that I don't know what made you trust you. Meaning of trust, believe. What made you to believe you? I still remember the day when I told you what I have been through. So he still remembers the day. Who remembers the day? The poet, the student, remembers the day that what I have been through. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole. So the speaker, the student itself thought that he is unable to turn here and there and unable to go. He just thought of run away from the place and go and hide. Meaning of hide, put or keep something in a place where it can't be seen. So he want to go and hide in a hole that nobody can go and watch him. So he want to run away from the place. But then you really brought out my true soul. So the speaker says that you. Who is you again here, children? You refers to the teacher. The student says that you brought my soul out and made me stronger. As each day grew longer, our trust became stronger. Each time I wanted to cry, you stayed there right by my side. So the students say that as each day grew longer, so day by day, when the student started coming to school regularly, he says that day by day, it increasing day by days are passing away, our trust became stronger. The belief, what I believed in you made me stronger. Each time I wanted to cry, you stayed there right by my side. He says that whenever I used to cry, You always used to stay right by my side. Again, who is you children here? The teacher. The student says that my teacher used to stay right by my side. Then I moved to the next grade. Boy, was I afraid that our trust would slowly fade. But I was wrong. We are still growing. So in the second stanza itself, the speaker itself is saying that you can see in the picture, whenever the child used to cry, my teacher used to stand beside me. She or he used to stand beside me. And coming to that, he used to tell that in the third stanza, when I moved to the next grade, meaning of next grade, moving to the next class. When I moved to the next class, boy, was I afraid. As a boy, I was frightened. I was afraid that our trust would slowly fade. So the student says that when I moved to the next class, I was afraid that our trust would slowly fade. Meaning of fade, something becoming paler or less bright. Here, the trust, the belief in you would slowly get less and less. He says that our belief would become less. But I was wrong. We are still strong. But he says that whatever I thought, it was completely wrong. Day by day, our belief became stronger. I believe in you. Day by day, our belief became stronger and stronger. Even though sometimes you don't have time, you at least ask me if I am fine. Even though sometimes I am not, I feel like I have just been shot. I smile and say, yes, I am all right. Then I walk away and you are out of sight. I'll just have to wait. I still have my faith. Here the child says that even though sometimes you don't have time, you at least ask me if I am fine. He says that if the teacher doesn't have the time to speak with me, at least the teacher asks the student as I am fine. Even though sometimes I am not, I feel like I have just been shot. I smile and say, yes, I am all right. When the teacher questions the student that how are you? So the child, if not at all fine, if the child is not at all fine also, just with a smile, the child gives the answer to the teacher, yes, I am all right. Then I walk away and you are out of sight. He says that slowly by saying I am fine teacher, when the student goes away from that place out of sight. Meaning of out of sight, not visible. Slowly when the master moves away, master is not visible to the student. I'll just have to wait. I still have my faith. He says that when the teacher is not visible to me, he thinks that I'll still wait for my master because I believe in my fate. Meaning of fate, the power that some people believe controls everything that happens. The child believes in his fate that definitely I'll meet my master or teacher once again. I'm so glad that you were there when I was sad. And this is what makes you not just my 9th grade teacher, my friend. So the poet, the child itself says that he is so glad. Meaning of glad, grateful for something. He is so grateful to have such a teacher beside me when I was sad. And this is what makes you not just my 9th grade teacher, my friend. So the speaker itself, the student itself says that you are not only just my 9th grade, that means 9th class teacher, you are my friend. Let us go through the summary of each stanza. The poem Not Just a Teacher But a Friend is a poem that describes the great role of a teacher in a student's life. The speaker of this poem is a student. The student says that he trusts his teacher and always remembers him when he was in troubles. His teacher brings out the real soul in him and confirms him. By the passage of time, the trust between the teacher and him grew stronger. Every time he was in a trouble, the teacher stays with him and helped him. The students thought that his trust in his teacher would slowly disappear, but it became stronger and stronger as it was the real trust. Though the teacher is busy, he asks his student how he is. Though the student is in trouble, he smiles and says that he is all right. In his teacher's presence, he faces all his fate. Finally, the student feels happy with the teacher's presence being not just his ninth grade teacher, but also his truest friend. Now, let us go through the glossary and comprehension question answers of not just a teacher but a friend. Meaning of trust, believe. Meaning of hide, put or keep something in a place where it can't be seen. Meaning of fade, something becoming paler or less bright. Meaning of out of sight, not visible. Meaning of fate, the power that some people believe controls everything that happens. Meaning of glad, grateful for something. Coming to the comprehension question answers. First question, why does the student consider the teacher as his friend? So my dear students, tell me, why does the student consider the teacher as his friend? Because the teacher considers his teacher as his friend because the student trusts the teacher more than anybody in the society. Isn't it? The student trusts the teacher a lot. Coming to the second question. How does the teacher take the student out of his gloom? Out of his gloom means out of his feelings there. You can see there in the second stanza, he is unable to go here or there. So how does the teacher take away the student out of his gloom? The teacher takes the student out of his gloom by supporting and consoling him in times of trouble. He helps like a friend. So how will the teacher help him? Like a friend. Coming to the third question. Why does the student fail to estimate the teacher correctly? Why does the student fail to estimate the teacher? In the third stanza, what does the student thinks that? The student fails to estimate the teacher correctly because he thinks that the trust between the teacher and him will disappear by the passage of time. By the end of his class, by the end of his class grade, the student thinks that the belief in between teacher and the student disappears. But in his experience, he observes that the trust becomes stronger and stronger though he is away from his teacher. So isn't it? He says that when he moves to the next grade also, he says that our trust becomes stronger and stronger. Coming to the last question. How does the poet glorify the relationship between the teacher and the student? So easily I think so you can answer it, children. How does the poet glorify the relationship? What is the relationship between the teacher and the student in the given poem? Yes, the poet glorifies the relationship between the teacher and the student by saying that the student trusts his teacher. The relationship between the teacher and the student is not just limited to learning but also extended to friendship. The relationship between the teacher and the student. First of all, the student trusts the teacher a lot and finally it is extended to friendship. Write the given glossary and question answers in your classwork and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless us all.